I mean, they accidentally shoot more niggas out here than any place in the world. Every time you pick up paper, nigga accidentally shot in the ass. How do you accidentally shoot a nigga 6 times in the chest?
And the black men would let it be known that they thought white women were beautiful, and they'd say they didn't want any ugly black woman with short hair. This whole thing. But this has changed because black people are aware now that their own appearance is beautiful, they're proud of it, and white people are aware of it too.
A place of peace for the passion, of freedom from chains, where it remains through generational veins, estranged DNAs, chopped trees of families, traditional lies, no longer supremacy. Life is the light given to thee.
What's up? What's up? What's up? I miss you. Yeah. What's up? Huh?
Say, man.
What you doing? Yep. 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 You my boy. You my boy. You my boy. You my boy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Dig it? Isn't it beautiful? All right. Black women would try everything they could to straighten their hair and lighten their skin to look as much like white women. And
oh, bitch, we live life.
Some of the whites in Macon, where I'm from, I came from a little town. You know, it was real prejudice back in that time. When I would wear makeup, they would let me sing for the white girls. When I put on eyelashes and all that, they would let me sing. But when I went as a just straight dude, they wouldn't let me sing. They thought I wanted the girls. So if I came out a straight guy, they wouldn't let me sing. But when I came out with all the makeup on and all the eyelashes and all the hair, they said Richard is a good boy. I never was a good man, but I was a good.
But the thing about it is that you motherfucking black entertainers, politicians, and athletes with the platforms, y'all won't address nothing specifically black. Now, you motherfuckers will donate to other causes involving other people, but you won't donate or put your attention or focus on nothing specifically black. And I understand that you motherfuckers is only paid to go so far, but you motherfuckers need to get some nuts or get the fuck out the way.
Roger quick, you fucking with a heavyweight.
See how he looking at me? See how that go? You just be walking, somebody just start looking at you mean muggy, you know what I'm saying? Like you playing me or something, you know? Now I can keep walking or I can confront that man. Oh! Oh! Pop your hands right where you at. Hold up, y'all, wait a minute. Somebody looking at me crazy. What's up then? Well, do what you gotta do, man. I think I'm gonna keep walking, you know? I don't know what he got with him. You know what I'm saying? He got some people with him. I'll catch you later, man. You don't know they size because they, you know, out of nowhere they can do anything. It's them little, I'm telling you. That's who we started.
I love you. I love you. I know you love me. I know you love me. I want to see you make it. I want to see you make it. I want to see you be great. I want to see you be great. I want to see you be successful. I want to see you be successful.
Manale! Manale from this thing as a wicked young marshal.
Shit.
Marsha, me love you. Come on, you never find a man that can love you so yet, Marsha. You're a dude, man. So he's a wicked girl, man. Come on,
Slide.
All right.
Slide.
I will not raise my daughter differently than my mother raised me. The rearing I got from my mother, words cannot express. I could live in any time, I could live in any country, I could live on any planet, and I would be fine.
What was
One is, the inner reality creates the outer form. I learned this when I was in grade school. I was very young. And the other is, the universe bears no ill to me. I bear no ill to it.
These aphorisms will be taught to your daughter?
Yes, absolutely.
They've already been taught to your...
My son.
Your son?
That's right.
You ain't supporting shit.
In the Deep South, I'm surrounded by white gun owners who have owned guns for generations. Dick Gregory said something years ago, God bless the dead. If you attack insurance companies and police pensions, you will see a deceleration. Because he said, it's funny, you never see black cops accidentally keep killing white kids. Not that they're more spiritual or smarter. They understand that white people are not going to tolerate it. And the way that you don't tolerate things in capitalism is attack the money. If your police force is misabusing and using you and they don't look like you, find ways to attack their money. Find ways to attack their unions, their pensions. Find ways to attack the city's money, and you'll see change.
Music and life shit.
Freeze!
Dig it? Isn't it beautiful?